Up until now, we've only really been looking at the bottle opener from the outside as a solid object. In this video, we'll look at a really useful tool that allows us to see through sections of our model. And unsurprisingly, it's called the Section tool, and you can find that here. When you click the Section tool, our three planes appear at the origin: the front, top, and left side planes. If I select one of these planes, I can then drag the arrow in the direction of that plane, and watch what happens. I'll use the front plane. The Section tool slices through the model and lets me see what's going on inside. As I move through, you can see the steel part in the middle of the two wooden handles, and then also the pins, and how they penetrate through both the wood and the steel. Using the section view can be very helpful when resolving more complex designs. To select a different section plane, click the delete icon and select a new one. Let's try the top plane. Remember that we first started sketching the basic outline of the steel part on the top plane. We then extruded one of the wooden handles down underneath, which is why we can see the underside of the steel part here and the wooden handle underneath here. You can use this little icon to switch between different sides of the section at any time. Another way to see what's going on is to simply move the bodies using the Move Rotate tool, or by double-clicking them and using the arrows. Just remember that if you do move a body, you might like to remember how far you moved it so that you can move it back, or you can use the Undo command, or you can also realign the bodies. For example, if I move the wooden handle up some random measurement because I want to see what's under it, I could then move it back using the Align tool. Double-click the body, select the Align tool, and then either align by face or snapping point. In this example, I'll use the snapping points of these two corners and align the underside to the face of the steel section. First, select the face you want to align, and then use the snapping points. Click and hold the first one, then drag and select the second one. Then click the blue tick, and the bodies are now realigned. In the next video, we'll look at combining bodies, which is a process you would use to prepare your model for 3D printing. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button, leave a comment or a question, and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.